Hello friends, please welcome Forgan Tourist, India best tourist place. Please welcome in Gandhi Sagar. Forgan to tourist who visit for at Chambal place. Please welcome and natural resource in forest health and ecosystem management. So please come here my channel, like, share, subscribe, and climate change, wild life, habitual, and the importance of forest, wild animals. So crocodile in Chambal river, other animals in India forest perform an important role to make a healthy environment, and it reduce air pollution. Near about total Chambal area covered with with forest. Please come.
हेलो गाइस एंड हम आपको दिखाएं एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट टू गो एंड गांधी सागर ओके एंड ब्यूटीफुल गांधी सागर एंड बेस्ट एनिमल एंड वाटर डैम एंड ओके नेक्स्ट
Please go again. Come back.
Hi guys, how are you? You are
Chambal
my
River.
India best
River crossing
fifth
saves
largest river
at
in
on
Chambal River.
Gandhi Sagar Dam
Very beautiful
in National Chambal
Chambal
Sanctuary,
and
MP
visit best
District
two
Mandsaur.
mountains
Please
between
visit in
River.
Chambal
So
River.
very excited.
So please, I am
So
request
natural best trees
forest is the largest
and
ecosystem mentally.
animals, wild
So please, I
animals.
am request my best friends and foreign tourist and India best tourist visit in Gandhi Sagar and wild animals, crocodiles,
So please I am
and others animals activities, trees, and best of natural part. Please visit the enjoy.
so very best beautiful in water
Forests are very much important for a balanced
and very nice
Chambal River crossing in service at on the Gandhi Sagar and
Come next.
Sivna in National Chambal
Okay,
Sanctuary,
thanks.
MP
All
Mandsaur.
friends बोल दे next again part so please come
Please,
here
my best friend, come
okay
here.
friends my friend and I is uh, next in Gandhi Sagar
Who's
water
this?
dam in again okay दोस्तों
I am best.
next
So very best nature and very beautiful nature and
very beautiful nature
so please come here in Road Hog and very best trees and rivers. So like sea is very important in very beautiful sea in like. So please I'm request my near in mountains very beautiful in Hardo in very beautiful.
best very best super and natural too and very beautiful
Hi guys, my around 30% of world is land surface area is covered by the forest. Regularly earth temperature and most ancient beautiful trees in evergreen green trees, and you are very fast, and beautiful nature is very my near is best green trees and very beautiful mounts and road in Hardo, in Pauline, Hardo Electrics, and very excited look like, and it is my near in 500 meters in Gandhi Sagar Dam. In visiting you, come here in my near in car and truck and other driving. So please, I'm very risky, very hardly and very beautiful, nice. See out of turn you very beautiful gardens in very beautiful song in my car near and hard. So very beautiful above in 300 meters in my mountains and trees in very beautiful like this is my best natural. So very excited. So please come here my friends, and very nice natural. So my life my life in mountains day in 11 December in international day. Surface water, ground water, and largest water. So very mountains in Chambal sanctuary in river in very beautiful river. Ground Chambal hot temperature very surface in nice hot temperature. So very excited in very difficulty. So very green water, beautiful sea in river equal. So my river Chambal in very beautiful sea, and my near in bridge in 200 meters in very beautiful trees, mountains, and other pupils in driving. You are my friend, and so very excited. Global warming and climate change in after 4 months in my India. So best weather in my India in present hot weather, and 4 month in running weather, and 4 month in cool weather. So difficulty weather. Control of water pollution 1974 since Central National Weather Policy in 2002. Please, my river Chambal near in Navin Chauhan, please visiting in Chambal, Gandhi Sagar. Gandhi Sagar bridge in very important bridge. So 20 100 yeah 300 meter between longest in 300 meter in bridge. So very soil and very natural trees, beautiful in soil and mountains and two mountains. Please come in road and boundary in India, river and road between. So driving in motorbike. India two state in Rajasthan between Madhya Pradesh in Chambal River, two state between. So MP and Rajasthan between in northeast. Very important. In Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh border in Chambal River. My my in Chambal rivers next year in near in first last round in please come in Chambal river. So very excited in Chambal river. See look like in very difficult turn, very beautiful turn, very your trees, mountains, and very beautiful, nice sea. So please look like my Gandhi Sagar visiting. Please forget tourist and India best tourist. Please come here. Please come here. See go. So please my near in come back in car drive. You are beautiful. See. So please come you my friend and my please coming. So Gandhi Sagar in 200 meters in my near bridge. So please come in Gandhi Sagar visit in bridge. Next my just 100-meter near in Gandhi Sagar bridge. So my bottom in Chambal river and very beautiful nice sea look like in very beautiful. So my near in 50 meters in Gandhi Sagar bridge in please visit in Gandhi Sagar. So very beautiful Gandhi Sagar. See very beautiful, very nice bridge, very important dam in Gandhi Sagar. So Gandhi Sagar bridge in up just up in Gandhi Sagar. In Gandhi Sagar bridge in high length in 200, 300 meter and high in 16 meter in my near best mountain very beautiful nice sea. So Gandhi Sagar between very beautiful nice very excited in Gandhi Sagar near Gandhi Sagar water dam in restaurant. To 4 year in between 1916 in 19 November. So my visit in first Prime Minister Pandit Nehru. So start contraction 7 March of 1954. So 4 years in between Gandhi Sagar in 1916 in direction in stop. So Gandhi Sagar in 62.17 meter height. Please come here in Chambal River. So please and request in my water dam in water here. So please come here. Hi. So very excited. Very difficult. And 100 kilometers my district Neemuch in Gandhi Sagar between. So distant. So I am best find you Gandhi Sagar Chambal River and very beautiful nice stone and very nice in beautiful mountain and very beautiful nice natural. So very excited in water pool in India largest water dam in Gandhi Sagar. Chambal River in up. बोल
काटेल वापस है।
अरे लौंडा एक
हेलो गाइस, हम आपको यहाँ का नज़ारा दिखाते हैं रिवर का जो बीच है। हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम आए हैं गांधी सागर। तो हमने सोचा कि हम आपको यहाँ का नज़ारा दिखाएं। यहाँ का बहुत ही शानदार नज़ारा है और यहाँ के पुल, यहाँ का पानी, यहाँ का जो जलवायु, यहाँ की जो सारी चीज़ें, यहाँ के माउंटेन पर्वत, हम आपको आज सारे यहाँ पे दिखाने लाए हैं। और चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें दोस्तों। हम आपको यहाँ पे बताते हैं कि यह अपने मध्य प्रदेश की पवित्र नदी मानी जाती है और ये पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के द्वारा इसका उद्घाटन किया गया था और 7 मार्च 1953-54 में इसकी स्थापना करी गई थी दोस्तों। और यहाँ अपने पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इसका उद्घाटन किया था और ये अपने एमपी का दूसरा सबसे बड़ा गांधी सागर बांध है। और यहाँ पे आप आइए और इस प्रकृति का आनंद लीजिए। यहाँ पे बहुत ही शानदार प्रकृति और बहुत ही मतलब नेचुरल यहाँ का नज़ारा है। आज हम हमारे फ्रेंड और हम आपको दिखाने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ का नज़ारा, जो कि हमने सोचा कि हम इसी माध्यम से हम आपको यहाँ का नज़ारा दिखाते हैं ताकि टूरिस्ट जो भी आए इसको देख सके, इसका आनंद ले सके।
ठीक है।
ओके दोस्तों,
water storage in 22 and 184 and gas storage in water dam in 7.1 beautiful, very excited. So please come here, tourist place, visit कीजिए India fourth largest another in best weather. अभी you are present in hot weather, so please come here. Please come here in चंबल नदी है, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट एंड खास। सो मध्य प्रदेश की सबसे पवित्र नदी मानी जाती है, जो 7 मार्च 1954 को अपने फर्स्ट प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इसका उद्घाटन किया था और 1960 तक चला और यह बनकर इसका निर्माण हुआ, जिससे आज मंदसौर ज़िले के 70% से ज़्यादा लोग फार्मिंग करते हैं और जानवर, जंगली जानवर सभी इस नदी पर डिपेंडेंट है। और अपने ये एमपी की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी नदी है, दूसरी है, जो कि 965 किलोमीटर लंबाई है इस नदी की, जो कि अपने
चनापाव से उद्गम
मध्य प्रदेश और राजस्थान के बीच में उत्तरी सीमा का निर्माण करती हैं। और ये महू की जानापा पहाड़ी, काकरबल्डी पहाड़ी, इंदौर से इसका उद्गम होता है, जो काफ़ी अच्छा है। so please come here again in very beautiful nice mountain and so trees in natural beautiful nice so weather in very difficulty so very excited in accident in very beautiful so in my near temple so best temple in ऊपर चला यस चलो पानी पीने जाओ मत चलो बंद कर दिया ना ऊपर के चलो मंदिर बोलो Hi, please come here, Koleswar temple. So please visiting in India's temple. Hi, please come here. So very important. Hello guys, is visit in my temple, India's best natural. So very beautiful culture. So India is very beautiful culture. Please come here. Hurry up. Chabi. There. Okay. And please come here in sitting. So above near in best tourist place in Koleswar temple. So please come here in above 100 meters in very excited in very beautiful India's culture in temple in first time in life in nice enjoy very beautiful yaar is in very beautiful trees nice hold and nice so very excited in my four-wheeler cycle and bike in very important so please come here visiting in temple so in please welcome tourist so please welcome my India visiting so best tourist place in number 1 India largest second so best mountain in 100 meters above so very excited and natural mountain so please best Magnifera Indica and Gandhi Sagar water dam in India's largest second dam in Chambal river in beautiful nice river so my state in India is very 1965 kilometers length and birth in 400 meters so very best and so best in natural trees in very beautiful nice wild animals and beautiful birds and very important nice so please come here in very excited please come and enjoy this natural thank you very much next part okay dear बोल तेरा बात स्टार्ट हुई वीडियो बंद कहीं चालू कर वीडियो तो कहीं बनती गई वापस